want to do a little bit of Dying Light action, we are back up in here. And if they wonder why there was no videos, ooh, look at that trophy. Last week, here is a reason why right here. Let's see if we can get that to work. Probably not. I hit record, and then there's no in-game audio. No music, no clickety click, no nothing. Alright, test around, test around. Alright then, let's get over to that museum and try to save this roof before she is tossed up in there and becomes an exhibit. We're going this way. Parkour. Survivor of what right now? I need to save. Come on. Another. Oh shit. Those guns. If you did not miss out on the last one, I made myself the little silence pistol. Let's see if we can take out some fools. I'm not done with you. Where are you at? Oh shit, they down there. Oh, you can't get us all. Oh, yeah. No! Now you just make it. Oh shit. Why are my bullets not killing you? Yes, I get it. That's right. What's up with that shit? Oh no. I mean, the chase wasn't wrong with this thing. Is that a spitter? Is that a guy up here? Oh shit, he's gone dead, isn't he? No, he's not dead. Kill him! Kill who? You want to kill him? Oh my god! Ooh, kill that fucking guy real quick. What the hell? Are you serious? That is some fucking shit. Oh shit, I crawl out of my safe house. And he's right fucking there. Haha. That's how you pop him up. Head right down. Pop the head. Oh no. No, we got a runner. I just want his gun. There we go. Get the hell on him. Yeah. Oh, hell no, bro. Hell no. What are you doing back there? Oh, no. We gotta run. My weapon is broken. It's broken. We're running. Yeah. Get over there. Papa. Oh, he landed on the trash. What a lucky looks like. Look at that. Get out of the way. Look at down here. Ooh, that hurt. Oh, it's a big dude. Not gonna deal with that right now. No. Thank you. Get up there. Oh no! I thought I was gonna die. This is the building. Oh no, there's somebody coming around. No, it's a safe house. Get out of here. Have I got a deal for you, friend?
Tariq?
What do you want? We don't have anything here but a few scraps of food.
Looks like you got a lot here, actually.
Relax. Troy sent me.
Troy? Oh, thank God. I've been a nervous wreck since I found this kid. He's got nobody to look out for him. But I'm not so good with kids, you know.
That's not why I'm here.
But Troy promised she'd send someone.
I need to get into the museum.
The museum? But Troy told me someone would come to help. She promised.
Okay, Tariq. You tell me how to get into the museum, and maybe I can sort out your problem here, okay?
Rise controls the museum. He would kill you on sight.
Well, then I can't have him see me. Now, Troy said you used to be the curator, and that if anybody would know a way in, it'd be you, so how do I do it?
Do you have scuba gear, perhaps?
No.
Too bad. There's an entrance under the surface of Emerald Pond, but it would be a long swim under the water. You would most likely drown.
Yeah, well, most likely isn't definitely, so guess I'll give it a try.
Alright, now that you've told me your problems, I'm just going to turn this crap off right here and going to leave you with your problem. I do not want to deal with that. What? I do not want that either. What I do need to do is go to the inventory and go down here, because this rifle right here is not good enough. It is 293, but it is not doing the damage. Can we continue to go down? Oh, that's inventory. Let's go down here real quick. It's one of these fancy weapons. Oh, this eraser. Oh no, I need electronic. Quite unfortunate situation. Maybe next time we get the electronics. Get the new weapon. Get the new weapon. I'm not searching enough. Who's throwing shit at me?
Hey, that's one of Bricken's men.
Fucking bitch ass. Throw some shit at me. Oh no. Oh, we got a runner. Oh, we got a runner. Come on now. Oh, he outran the runner. I outran the runner. Just need to take a seat, sir. Just need to take a seat. What the hell? Flaming zombies. He thought he was gonna get me. Neater. Oh, yeah, run. Okay, just keep running. And harmony back. No, I don't think so. Ooh, there's spikes there. Around the hill. That's a future base we gotta take out there. No? Anybody around? Nobody around? Hey, if nobody's around, we want to take this way. Come on, man. Be nice. Be nice. Fuck. Oh, she fell off the building. What the hell? Suicide. Really? I get back in there and it's the first try. A weapon? Okay. Okay. Maybe? Oh, can I get it before he hits me? Can I get it before he hits me? No! Oh no! Certainly not! Oh shit! Explodies! Why is there always somebody making noise? No! Don't need the noise! What's up? What is it, homie? Over here swimming. Boom. Come on, oh, head pop. Want some too? Alright, no, we're going swimming before we get killed by homeboy, yeah. outside. Little detour on our way to our destination. Swim in, swim in, swim in, swim in, swim in. Alright, we're a little bit closer here. Just a little bit. See what we got. Alright, oh shit, this is, holy crap, there's two big dudes. What the hell? I can't get through the bush. Why is there a hard bush? This bush is as hard as a rock. Oh, we're gonna take him. Let me take him out. Take him out. One shot, two shots. Oh, it's a one shot? What? No, we're gonna make one shot. Oh, yeah. That's how you get the good stuff. What, sucker? Slide on over here. Ooh. Oh, we got nothing in there. Oh, we got a box over here. What we got in here? We got some good stuff. We got some good stuff. Better make it worth it, man. Gosh, two more bullets. 2 bullets. What the hell? There ain't got nothing in there. That is some bull shizzle right there. That is some bull shizzle. What the hell? Where the hell did you come from? Dead now, that's what he is. They're going upstairs. Going upstairs. Going on up. On the Tuesday. We're gonna go all the way up, actually. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go all the way up there. All the way up around this corner, yeah. All the way around this way. Yeah. Okay, we're not here. Hell no. Try to get the munchies and shit. Oh, yeah. A little barrel of fire. A little barrel of fire. What the hell? With some burning tires. Oh, there's a spitter. Oh, yeah. They get your ass. Oh, they got your ass. Oh, shit. I keep almost burning myself on fire. Oh, God. There's so many zombies. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, I guess we're gonna have to fucking do it!